This video will show you how to replace an acrylic plate top of a Q10, a Q14, and an Omega. The following tools are required to perform this maintenance: Ultrasun Smart Hands and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure you always disconnect the machine from power. We recommend performing the process with 2 people. It is important to always support the acrylic plate with one hand while working to prevent the plate from falling out. Use the flathead screwdriver to flip the side strip loose. Then, remove the entire strip while the second person is holding the plate. Pull the plate slightly to yourself until it comes loose at the back side. Then slowly lower the plate. Now you can carefully take the plate away. You can now perform any maintenance. In case of installing a new acrylic plate, first remove the protective film. To place the new plate, support it with your hand on the hollow side. Slide the acrylic plate in the rear profile. Push the acrylic up until it fits against the top. Now you can put back the side strip to lock the plate. When the strip is almost fully pasted, first press the end of the strip in place. Then press the upstanding part until you hear a click. You have now successfully replaced an acrylic plate top. For more instruction, go to ultrasuninternational.com.